MacBurnie with the Sarah MacBurnie Group, and I am answering your MacBurning questions. And this question is, I found a house that I like, and the basement has an in-law apartment that is perfect for my parents. I don't know if it is legal or not. How would it affect the transaction? Do we need to talk to the town about this? What do I need to know? So, in my experience over the last 16 years, most in-law apartments are not legal. Oftentimes they are built in the basement without a permit, or they are built with a permit, but then certain things are added that make them not legitimate with the town. So, for example, someone pulls a permit, builds out a basement space that's conducive to the parents living there, town comes in, signs off, and then after the fact they install a full kitchen. And that full kitchen would mean having a stove. And usually that's the turning point where it's not permissible, both with the fire department and also the building inspector, having that additional stove in the basement. It's not to say that somebody couldn't go through the process and have it be a legitimate legal in-law, but normally that's what we see. And so at the point of having the fire inspection for closing, they would normally ask that the stove at minimum be removed, but worst case, they may require that the entire kitchen be pulled. So yes, you can do some due diligence. I suggest if you put a property under contract that has finished basement space, you go to the town, you see what permits have been pulled, you talk to them about what constitutes a legal in-law space or a shared family situation. You can't really have an extra apartment in the basement that you could rent out, but if you truly needed a space for your parents, maybe a nanny or a family member that you care for, there are some things that you can do in order to have that happen, but you just have to comply. So definitely check in with the town, just be aware and know what you're going to need to do in order to have the transaction go through without any issues. Hope this answers the question. As always, you can call, click, or text 978-337-9955 or visit sarahwillsellyourhome.com, and I'm happy to answer your questions.